Hello everyone, my name is Kenam Susanna. You're welcome to the Creative Susan's YouTube channel. Yes, after much procrastinating, I will, guys, we are finally here. We are finally here. I'm so excited. I'm super excited to be here today. I have other channel, but I really need that. I really need to show my face. I really need to be here with you guys. So that channel is actually a faceless YouTube channel. So this is my first channel that I'm showcasing my pretty face. So guys, I'm so happy to be here. I'm so excited. You can see the excitement all over my face. Okay, so today is an introductory video. I'm going to tell you people what my YouTube channel will be dishing out to you guys. So, the Creative Susan YouTube channel will be about sharing with you my personal experience on how to grow as a new YouTuber on YouTube. I'm trying to grow as well, so I'll be sharing with you strategies, how to get more views, how to grow as a new YouTuber, and strategies even as someone that is already established on YouTube. We all learn every day, so nobody knows it all. We are here to learn, we are here to share experiences. So that is one of the things I'll be sharing with you on this channel. Guys, the second thing I'll be sharing with you on this channel is video editing. I have knowledge about video editing, so we are going to be getting back-to-back tutorials on the latest trends, the latest apps, and so many other sites that can be used for editing your videos in a very professional way to attract viewers to your channel. And the third thing we are going to be talking about, guys, I know this one is something that I feel so happy about it, because you can't live without money. Is side hustles ideas to help you earn extra income both offline and online. Yes, we are going to be sharing with you ideas to earn extra income, because guys, this economy is not smiling with us, so we have to be talking about that too. And the last but not the least, my channel latest trends, latest online trends. Anything that is trending, anything that can help you to grow, strategies, anything at all. I will not hide any of them from you. So friends, my goal is to help you, provide you with valuable information that will help you to achieve your online goals. Be it you want to monetize on YouTube, you want to grow, we are here to grow together. Just like I said earlier, no one knows it all. Either you are a YouTube expert, you've already grown, or you're a startup like me, I'm just starting. So we can all grow together, we can learn together, we can support each other and grow. So friends, please do well to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because this will help notify you when next I upload a new video. I will try my best to upload videos every week, so just stay tuned and see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you.